In that small mud house in the village, Aman Jainab's universe was only her son Sajid. After her husband's death, Zainab, by pouring her blood into water and working in other people's homes, nurtured Sajid like a gardener protects a delicate flower from storms. Sajid was not just her son, but a piece of her liver, the light of her eyes, and the only support of her genes. Her mother's world began with Sajid's smile and ended with her happiness. Now Sajid was young. He had gotten a job in a company in the city so that he could provide a source of income for his old mother. The day he was leaving for the city, Aman Zainab had kissed his face and said goodbye to him by placing a copy of the Holy Quran on his head. Aman, now your days of suffering are over. I will return soon. I will bring you new clothes and medicine, Sajid had said as he left. After that day, Aman Zainab's daily routine was that she would sit at the door of the house and look at Sajid's direction. When Sajid called in the evening, her fatigue from the whole day would melt away. These two conversations between mother and son were the total wealth of her life. That dark day? One day, Aman Zainab was cooking Sajid's favorite food at home. She thought that as soon as Sajid called, she would tell him that your favorite food is ready today. There was a strange, motherly smile on her face. At exactly 4 the old mobile phone in the room, Aman Zainab hurriedly, flour falling from her hands, picked up the phone out of joy. She thought it would be Sajid. He would say, Aman, how are you? Hello, Sajid son. Aman Zainab's voice was full of love. But it was not Sajid's voice in front. An unknown, deep and serious voiced person was speaking. Did you talk to Sajid's mother? A wave of panic rose in Aman Zainab's heart. Yes, father, I'm Sajid's mother. Is he okay? Where is my son? Why didn't he call? There was silence on the other side for a few moments. Those few seconds of silence were like a century for Aman Zainab. After that, the unknown voice ruthlessly delivered the news that shook the world. Aman, take heart. A speeding truck has hit Sajid's motorcycle on the city highway. Sajid breathed his last before reaching the hospital. He is no longer in this world. The moment of doom. The phone slipped from Aman Zainab's trembling hands and fell to the dirt floor. It was as if the entire universe had stopped breathing. Despite the air, the house was still. Aman Zainab for a few moments became a stone statue. Her eyes were open, but there was darkness before them. The piece of her liver, which she had nurtured and saved from all suffering, had turned into a pile of dust in an instant. She wanted to scream, but the sound got stuck in her throat. She ran out of the house screaming, but her legs had no strength. She fell on her knees and started throwing dust on her head. Sajid, my children, this cannot be. No one leaves mother alone like this. You said you would come back. The people of the village gathered. Every eye was filled with tears, but no one could imagine the agony that was going on in Aman Zainab's heart. A mother is incomplete without the body of her son, and today her entire universe had been taken away from that mother.